reissue I'm asking.
Okay. Reissue. I thought ratio.
Okay. Hello, Fahim. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so this is the concept of reissue. Reissue means actually when we forfeit the shares that that we have not received money on those shares. That's why we forfeit the shares, and then we cancel the share. Forfeiture means cancellation of share. Okay, so we cancel the share. We remove the name of that shareholder from our register, from our shareholders list, and then our share capital is decreased. Yes, because we
Yes,
have
sir.
forfeited the share and we have cancelled the share. Yes, so our share capital will decrease. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, to maintain our share capital, we can reissue the forfeited share to some other person, to the public. Okay. The same share that we have cancelled. Actually, now in today's time, the shares are issued in electronic form, you can say. In past, it is of or documented a paper like share. Okay, so at that time, if you have share, then company has to cancel the share, and then they can again print that share again, and then it has to reissue to someone. But now we can cancel it online or by any means, and we can easily reissue to someone. Okay, it is not in paper format, so it is easy for the company. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so reissue
Okay.
means when company sell its shares which was forfeited, then it is called a reissue. Now, at the time of reissue, we have to pass two journal entries. So you can say that reissue is divided in two parts. The first is journal entry for reissue, means when we give our share to someone. So journal entry first is for reissue, and the second is for balance transfer. Second is for transfer of balance. Now, which balance we are going to transfer? Balance of forfeiture account. Because at the time of forfeiture, if you have studied the third part, then I told you, and Harkirat Fahim, you have, I think, already studied this, that when we forfeit our share, then there was some amount which was already paid by the shareholder, and there was some part which is not paid by the shareholders. So we forfeit the amount which we have already received. Okay, we can forfeit whatever we have. Yes, so we forfeit
Yes.
the amount which we have already received from the shareholder. Okay, and that is our capital nature profit. Okay, is this
Okay,
clear,
sir. Yes, sir.
Ritika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Harkirat.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now when we forfeit the amount which we have already received from the shareholders, so this is our capital nature profit. So there is a separate account which we have opened for this forfeiture. So that is called share forfeiture account, or you can say forfeited share account. So in that account, there was some balance. Okay, there was some balance, and this is a temporary account. Okay, that's why we have to transfer the balance from this account to some permanent account like reserve, revenue reserve, or capital reserve, or share capital, anything like permanent. Okay, so forfeiture account is a temporary account, and we have to close this account. Okay, that's why we, after reissuing all the shares that we have forfeited, we can transfer the balance from forfeiture account to capital reserve, because I told you that forfeiture is a capital nature profit. That's why the capital nature profit will be transferred to capital reserve. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, what is the journal entry for issue of share, reissue of shares? So it is bank account debit to share capital. Simple.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is there anything that we have to write here?
Mm. That's completed, sir.
That's what I'm asking. Is this
Yeah.
complete?
Bank account. Sorry.
Bank account debit to share capital account. Is the this journal entry complete? Okay. Yes, it is complete, but it is complete entry if the shares are issued at par. Okay, when we are reissuing our share, if it is sold at the same value, same face value, then this is complete entry. But generally at the time of reissue, we uh, give our share to someone at a discounted price, because we want to sell our share. Okay, sell our forfeited share. That's why we want to give it at a discounted price. So in that case, there will be a item on the debit side, share forfeiture account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Confused that why we have written share forfeiture account on the debit side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you were confused, then you should have asked question. Yes. Okay. Let's assume a question here. Let's say that we have forfeited 500 shares. How many shares?
500.
500.
500 shares. And the price of one share is 10. But we have reissued these shares at the rate 8, fully paid up. Means we have given the share as fully paid up, means we assume that total amount is received, but we have given this share at rupees 8 only. Okay, so there
Okay.
is a discount. There is a discount. Yes.
Yes.
Can you tell me how much discount per share?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. So on 500 shares,
So 1,000.
1000. So 500 into 10, because the price is rupees 10. So 500 into
Yes.
10, 5,000 will be written in share capital.
Yes. Yes.
we always write the face value, the par value in share capital. We never write discounted or including premium value. Okay. So we
Okay,
always
sir.
write the par value in share capital.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So
sir, we'll write
5,000 here.
5,000. Yeah.
Yes. But
Okay.
we will not receive 5,000.
Yeah, we'll only receive 4,000.
Yes, we will receive only
Bank
4,000.
account. Yeah. Okay.
So now 1,000 is discount. Share forfeiture
Okay.
account, 1,000.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now, this is discount. So why we are transferring it to share forfeiture account?
What, sir?
If this is a discount, we have given the discount on issue of share, then why we are writing share forfeiture account?
Share for future account.
Yes, we have written discount of rupees 1,000 in forfeiture account.
Yes.
You can see here.
Yes.
So why not write discount account debit?
Yes. Yes.
Ritika? Actually, we have discussed this concept, I think, in brief, not in detail. Yes.
Sir, can you tell?
Yes.
Can you tell, please?
Yes. I'm going to tell you. Yes. It is actually share forfeiture account because we are giving this discount due to forfeiture. If we are reissuing our share, if you remember, the original share, when we issue our share, not reissue, when we issue our share, we cannot issue our share at discount. You remember this? The original issue, the original share. There is three price that we have discussed: at par, at premium, and at discount. Yes. You remember, Parkirat Fahim? Not we
Yes,
discussed
sir.
at.
Yeah, at par, sir, we'll pay the full amount, and at premium, we'll pay the more amount, and at discount, we'll pay the less amount than the face value.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So we have studied only two concepts: at par, at premium, because share cannot be issued at discount.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So that's why original share cannot be issued at discount, but we are reissuing our share, which due to forfeiture of share. So this discount we are providing, we are giving, is due to forfeiture. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
we have received some of the amount already received on these shares. Amount already received on these shares that we are reissuing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Actually, I think you all are confused. So let me explain the process. First, we issue our share. Let's say the issue price is 10 rupees. Okay. And it is divided into 5, 3, and 2. Application, allotment, and first call. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, after issue, we demand money from the shareholders. Let's say the shareholder paid these two amounts. And so paid 8 rupees and defaulted. Default 2 rupees. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So due to this default, we will forfeit share. Forfeit share, and the money we have received already on this share, let's say total number of share is 500. Okay. So on these 500 shares, we have received 4,000 rupees and not received 1,000. Yes.
1,000. Yes.
Now, after forfeiture, we will reissue this share. Reissue 500 share. Let's say the issue price is at the rate 6. Okay. So we are giving 10 rupees share at only 6 rupees.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how much amount we have received now? 3,000.
3,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. At on this 500 share, total amount we should receive is 5,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Total amount.
And yes, we have received 4,000 here and 3,000 here.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
total 7,000 we received.
Yes. 4 plus 3.
Yes. So if we see only this amount, then you will think why we are giving discount. But we are not giving the discount here. We
Okay.
are not giving discount because on this 500 share, from this 5,000 amount, we have already received 5,000. Oh, sorry, 4,000.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if we have received here 2 rupees only per share, then also it will cover the price of share. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So this is why we have already received this 4,000 and the amount received is transferred to forfeited share account. If you remember the journal entry of forfeiture, it is transferred. The amount received is transferred to forfeited share account.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, at the time of, so this is our capital nature profit. You can say capital profit. Okay. And at the time of reissue, we are giving this share at discount of 2,000, 500 into 4 rupees discount per share. So we are giving discount of 2,000 here. So this is capital nature loss. Yes or no? If you give someone discount, this is a loss for you.
Yes.
Yes. So at the time of reissue, we are
Yeah.
giving 10 rupees share at rupees 6 only.
It's rupees. Yeah.
So per share, you are in loss of 4 rupees. So on 500
4
share, the
rupees.
total loss is 2,000.
2,000. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is capital loss. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So after happening of this capital profit, we have suffered this capital loss. That's why this capital loss is deducted from capital profit, means forfeited share account.
Okay, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yeah.
So that's why we have written bank account debit, and this discount of 1,000
Share
is
for-
written in share forfeiture account because we will
Okay.
adjust this discount from forfeiture account. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So the next thing is, actually, I'm going to erase this. because I have to write the entry. Okay. So now the second entry is we transfer the balance from forfeited share account or share forfeiture account. Let's say share forfeiture account debit to share capital or capital reserve.
Capital reserve.
Not share capital.
Yes, sir.
True, Ben.
Yes. Yes, it will be capital reserve account because this is capital nature profit. So it will be transferred to capital reserve account. So transfer of balance of forfeiture account to capital reserve. So this is our second entry. Now, what will be written in this entry? What will be the amount of this entry? Share forfeiture account debit to share to capital reserve. So in this example, if you have seen the forfeited amount, it is 4,000. Yes.
Yes.
So the maximum discount that we can give, or you can say that in forfeited share account, the balance is 4,000 because the amount received is forfeited.
Yes.
Okay. So at the time of reissue, how much discount we have given?
$2,000.
Yes, it is 2,000. You can see here.
Discount. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So this discount is adjusted from forfeited share account. So 2,000 discount. The balance 2,000 is still our capital nature profit. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will be transferred to capital reserve account because there is some balance. Now, to understand this again, let's say total amount we should receive on these 500 shares is 5,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how much money we have already received at the time of forfeiture and reissue combined? How much money we have received?
7,000.
10,000?
7,000.
7,000.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So 4,000 at the time of forfeiture we have
And-
already received, and 3,000
Yeah.
at the time of reissue.
Yes.
So by this method also you can calculate this. 7,000 we have received and we should receive 5,000. So there is a profit of 2,000. So
Good.
you can see
1,000. Yeah.
these amount are same. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the balance of forfeiture account after a reissue of all the shares is transferred to capital reserve. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is our journal entry for a reissue. You can write this. Let me write the heading for reissue of share. And the second is for transfer of balance of forfeiture account to capital reserve. So leave the example here. You don't have to write the example. So just write the journal entry. Okay, now I'm sharing a question. You have written the entry?
Yes, sir.
So you can see the question now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, question number 44. Yes, the first question. So a company issued 10,000 share of the value of P10 each, payable 3 on application, 3 on allotment, and 4 on first and final call. All amounts are duly received except the call money on 100 shares. These shares are subsequently forfeited by directors and are resold as fully paid up for Rs 5. Give necessary journal entries for the transaction. So, first of all, in this case, how many shares we have forfeited? 100. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all other amount is duly received. So only 100 share we have not received the call money, means 4 rupees. Okay. So the forfeiture of share entry, actually, I will pass the journal entry for forfeiture also so that you will understand the concept. Question number 44. Okay. Now, first entry. Actually, there are some calculation. I will discuss the calculation also, but first, let me write the entry. So for feature, the entry is share capital account debit to share forfeiture account. Share capital account debit to share forfeiture and to share first and final. So if you remember the concept, the total amount called up by the company is written in share capital. Total amount called up. So in this question, the amount called up is 3 on application, 3 on allotment, and 4 on the first and final call. Means we have demanded, sorry, company have asked for full amount. Already, full amount is asked by the company. That is 3 on application, 3 on allotment, and 4 on first call. Means 10 rupees. So we have forfeited this share or this shares.
100 shares.
We will not forfeit 10,000 shares. Yes, fine.
We'll forfeit 10,000 shares, right?
Yes, that's what I'm asking. We will forfeit 10,000 shares or 100 shares.
1 minute, sir. Sir, 100 shares. We'll forfeit 100 shares.
Harkirat, what do you think?
Sir, because we didn't receive any money on the 100 shares, so we'll only forfeit 100, not the 10,000 ones, not the whole
Yes.
share.
Yes. So actually, we have asked money on 10,000 shares and all amounts are duly received. It is written here, except the call money on 100 shares. Means these
Okay.
shareholders did not pay the amount of first and final call. All other shareholders have already paid their amount. So why we will forfeit their shares? Yes. So we have to forfeit 100 shares. So 100 into 10, 1,000. Because on 100 share, we have to write the called up amount, total called up amount, that is rupees 10. So 1,000, 100 into 10. Now, in this 10 rupees, how much amount per share we have received? Ritika.
Sir, can you repeat the question? What you asked?
How much amount we have received per share?
Per share. Okay.
Ritika, your voice is not
10
clear.
rupees.
10 rupees?
Yes.
No, it is not 10 rupees.
6 rupees.
6 rupees. Yes. You can see here, payable 3 on application, 3 on allotment, and it is written here, the call money on 100 share we have not received. Means
Okay.
this amount we have not received, 4 rupees.
Okay. Okay.
It means the price is 10 and we have not received 4. So the balance is 5 and 1, 6. So here it will be that amount we have received is 600. So it will be transferred to share forfeiture. It will be written in share forfeiture account. And the amount we have not received is to be cancelled. Share first and final call. Is this entry clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After forfeiture, we have to pass the journal entry for reissue. So I told you reissue entry is simple. Bank account debit to share capital account.
Yes.
So in share capital, we will write full amount of share, means 100 into 10, 1,000. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes. So 100 into 10. But in the question, it is said that shares are resold as fully paid up for rupees 500.
Sorry.
Means we have received only 500 from the new shareholders. So the balance amount is discount. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How much discount we have given?
4
The 5 rupees.
5 rupees per share, because you can see 100 shares into 10 we have to receive, because this is face value, and we have received 100 into 5 only.
Okay.
It means we have given 5 rupees discount. So it will also become 500 share for feature account.
Okay. Okay.
Now, yes, you were saying something?
No, no, nothing.
Okay, so this is our reissue entry. Now, in for feature entry, the balance of forfeiture is 600. Yes,
Yes, sir.
and in reissue entry, forfeiture is debited with 500.
Yeah.
So the balance means we have forfeited. This is profit for us because it is on the credit side, and this is loss for us because it is on the debit side. So there is 600 profit, 500 loss. So balance is 100. So it will be share for feature account debit. The balance will be transferred to capital reserve account. Yes. Capital reserve account. 100. So this is very simple question. Now, there is a question which is generally asked in examination, that how much maximum discount can be given at the time of reissue. I'm repeating the question. How much maximum discount can be given at the time of reissue of share? Have you seen this question? You have given, I think, many term and examinations. So I think you have seen this question in the exam.
Not
No,
the
sir.
more than the forfeited shares.
No, I'm not asking for answer. I'm just asking, have you seen the this question in any of your previous exam?
No, sir.
No, sir. We
No.
didn't had any exams yet.
Yes, yes.
I saw it in the textbook.
Yes, it's given in the textbook, but generally these questions are asked in term and examination or final examination. But you have not given final examination, so I'm asking about term and. Okay, no problem. If it is not asked, you have not seen this question. The answer is maximum discount can be equal to forfeited amount. This one. So shares that we have forfeited is 100. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So per share, how much money we have forfeited per share for one share?
For sure.
So it's 6 rupees.
Yes, we have forfeited total 600, and we have forfeited number of share is 100. So it means 6 rupees per share. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So if question is asking about this, that maximum discount, then you have to calculate it like this, that how much amount we have forfeited per share, and this is your maximum discount. Means whatever the amount you have already received on share, you can give as discount.
Okay, sir.
Means on 100 shares, you have received 600 rupees already. Yes.
Yes.
So maximum discount can be 600 here.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So maximum discount will be 600, and 400 you can receive because you have given 600 discount. So you will receive 400 here. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So please write this note also. Maximum discount on reissue will not exceed the amount forfeited by the company. Or if I change the wordings, so it will be maximum discount will be equal to amount forfeited by the So maximum discount will be equal to amount forfeited or will not exceed the amount forfeited by the company. So any words you can write. Please write any one of these two, not both. So this is your note. And the next part, actually we'll discuss the next part here. Calculation of amount transferred, amount to be transferred. Transferred to capital reserve account. So in quotient, sometimes it is very simple to calculate this amount, but in some of the cases, it will be little difficult for you to calculate the amount. So there is two cases. First, when company has reissued all the forfeited share, and the second is when company has issued only a part of forfeited share. Okay, these two cases can be given in the quotient. Like the first case is about when we forfeit 500 share and reissue also 500 shares. But the second case means when we have forfeited 500 shares but reissued only 300 or 200 or 400 shares because it is less than the original forfeited shares. Okay, so this is our second case. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And the note, you have copied it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the difference between these two? In first case, I discussed the quotient already with you here.
Yeah.
In this case, we have forfeited 100 shares and we have reissued 100 shares. Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you
This
repeat
is
what you
first
asked?
case. Yes, I'm saying that in first case, we have forfeited 100 shares and
Yes.
reissued also 100 shares.
Yeah.
Yes. So the situation is here that if we forfeit 100 share and we reissued it, then we have to close our forfeiture account. Yes?
Okay. Yes, because there is nothing to have.
Yes, there is nothing left in forfeiture account. So now
Yeah.
we have to close our forfeiture account. So every
Okay.
balance, a balance that is left in forfeiture account will be transferred to capital.
Okay.
So here in this question, the balance in forfeiture account was 600. From that, we have used 500 for discount. So the balance 100 is transferred to capitalism.
Yes.
Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fahim?
Yes, sir.
Ritika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Ritika, my question is for you. Tell me, if we have reissued only 80 shares here, reissued 80 shares at the same price for, let's say, 400. Tell me, what will change here in this solution? Not clear?
Sir, I got the question.
Yes.
Sir, I understood the question. I'm thinking.
Okay. Actually, your voice is not clear, so I'm not getting what you are saying. Okay, no problem. So, Fahim, what will change here in the solution?
Sir.
Sir, would write 80. The fertilizer.
We will write
80
80. Where?
in the fertilizer account to capital account.
Fertilizer account?
Yeah, where where we have wrote the 100
It will be forfeiture account.
forfeiture. Yeah, by mistake. Right.
Okay. So, forfeiture account, you were saying we will write 80 or
Yes.
800.
Um, let me think, sir.
Okay. What will change here? I will tell you. Actually, in share capital, it will become 800 only because 80 into 10.
800.
And in bank account, we have sold the shares for 400. So it will be 400 here only.
Yes.
And in share forfeiture account, again, it will become 400. Okay.
Okay.
And in this calculation, in this entry, we have to calculate the amount. And how we will calculate the amount? First of all, the share forfeiture was 600 divided by 100 into 80 minus 400. So we will discuss this theory part in our next class, but I'm just telling you that amount will change here. So it will be 80 rupees only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
How we got this amount? That per share we have forfeited 6 rupees. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And we have forfeited 100 shares. but we are reissuing only 80 shares. So we will take the amount forfeited for 80 shares. So 80 into 6, 480 minus, we have given discount of 400 here. So 400, it is 80 rupees. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So is there any doubts you have in today's topic of reissue? Actually, in some part is still left to solve, to clear. So we'll discuss this concept again in our next class. But before that, this second case we don't know. Okay, so you can solve the question of first cases.
Okay.
So I will give you the homework for first case. Is there any doubt you have in first case of this topic
No, sir.
or in reissue concept?
No, sir.
Okay, so everything is clear.
Yes,
Yes.
almost clear.
Almost clear. Okay,
Yeah.
when
If
you
I
will solve,
if I have any
yes,
doubt, we'll ask you.
yes. So when you will solve the question, then I think all the doubts will be clear. So please
Yeah.
try some question as homework. Okay. I
Okay.
will share the question, but if you receive the question by delayed, so in that case, please solve the question from your book for feature and reissue of share, issue that part. The heading will be this.
Okay, sir.